APC and PDP will not give up easily. If you think, oh, we will just go there, we will just vote for him, then they will just announce him, then we will just be clapping. It's not going to be like that. You have to be prepared for battle. In this election, gentlemen, are there? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
If you don't take it, 2024, 2023, 2024, 2025, I bet you will be walking on the street. They will stop you, strip you naked, collect whatever in your hand. The law enforcement agency will be there. They will say, settle them now. It's already happening. Okay. If we don't do what we are doing now, 2024, you will be praying and wishing and wish Buhari will stay in government. Are you listening to me? Okay. You will know that Buhari's era, we were living in paradise. That is why we must do what we can. I am not being paid. Whatever we are seeing here is somebody voluntarily time, money, resources to bring it together. We can complain from now till tomorrow, till next year, till the kingdom come. If we don't get involved, 2024, 2025, I say we will be praying to God. I wish Buhari was still in government. That is how bad it's going to be. So, it is your responsibility. It is my responsibility. Obi, our principal, Peter Obi, is comfortable. He can decide to live in the United Kingdom forever for the rest of his life. He can decide to live everywhere, to live in the United States. But because of his passion, because of his love, because of his sympathy for the masses, Nigeria must be rescued. And you must be involved. Get your BBC, carry the message to everywhere. Let people know. Tell them about Labour Party. That is where you become useful and not just obedient.